equality of the two complex numbers. Two complex numbers are said to be equal if Z1 is equal to Z2. That implies a real part of Z1 is equal to a real part of Z2, and imaginary part of Z1 is equal to imaginary part of Z2. That is, if x1 plus iy1 is equal to x2 plus iy2, that means x1 is equal to x2 and y1 is equal to y2. On this concept, some illustrations will be given. Example 1. X is to the power 4 plus 2xy minus 3x square plus yi is equal to 3 minus 5i plus 1 plus 2yi. Now write a real part in one bracket and imaginary part in another bracket. X to the power 4 minus 3x square plus I times of 2x minus y is equal to 4 minus plus I times of 2y minus 5. So x to the power 4 minus 3x square is equal to 4. By equating a real part of z1 is equal to a real part of z, and 2x minus y is equal to 2y minus 5, that is imaginary part of z1 is equal to imaginary part of z2. So x to the power 4 plus minus 3x square is equal to 4. So x to the power 4 minus 3x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So x to the power 4 x square minus 1 plus 1 into x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So x square plus 1 comes in the first bracket and x square minus 4 is equal to 0. X square is equal to minus 1. This is not possible because x is real. So x square is equal to 4. So x is equal to plus minus 2. 2x minus y is equal to minus 5 plus 2y. Put x is equal to 2. 4 minus y is equal to minus 5 plus 2y. So 3y is equal to minus 9. So y becomes minus 3. So the one complex number will be 2 minus 3i. If we put x is equal to minus 2, minus 4 minus y is equal to minus 5 plus 2y. So 3y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 by 3. So you get the second complex number, z is equal to minus 2 plus 1 by 3i.